What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're going to do a teardown on a Pelco video encoder, a ENC5416. So once again, video encoder for security videos, PCI. Look at all of these old school analog clips we got, and then we got the HDMI to go into the PCI Express. So let's take a look, break into her, and see what we can see. Do you guys know I love taking stuff apart? Anything I can, anywhere I find it. Sometimes if I care about it enough, I'll put it back together. Doesn't often happen, but it happens. Every now and then we'll get lucky enough. We'll find some cool stuff on the inside that we can use for other places. I have a feeling this isn't going to be one of those days, but always worth a look. Oh, I got a server rack thing over here. Alright, let's see how she goes. We got some more screws up here. I should probably take care of first. Alright. Let's see how this comes off. Oh, ah. Of course, forgot one screw. It doesn't come off easy, this big hunkin' stuff. And it's probably in a screw you've missed. Because I thought there's just really not a whole lot to it. Looks like every input gets its own chip for the most part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No, it'll have to be more than that. So that's where the power comes in. Interesting connector. Not as much meat to this as I thought there would be, honestly. That'd be a bit more exciting than this. But yeah, just one straight up board. Doesn't look like there's much we can harvest on here. I don't even think there's much for gold scrap. Oh well, better luck next time. Anyways, that's it for me. Now from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one, folks.